Hello everybody and welcome back to the vending channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install your Cashbox onto your Rhino Vending Gumball Machine. First thing you're going to need to do, take your machine key and unlock the top. Here's your lock, just set that off to the side. Now you're just going to lift up from the hopper, which is this part right here. Set that off to the side. And then grab your body with your mechanism and your flap door and set that off to the side as well. Here what you're going to need to do is the base of your machine. Just going to want to take off this nut right here. Give it a good twist and unscrew the center rod. You just want to take off that nut, set that down. Then you can set your base and your center rod off to the side. What we have here is your Cashbox. So you have the drawer here. You're going to want that facing to the back. Now with the Cashbox you'll receive a 14 1/8 inch rod. Just going to want to take your nut from your machine and put that on one of the ends. Then you're going to take that, put it in the center hole of your Cashbox, screw it in. Just going to take your wrench again, tighten that up. So here you got your Cashbox keys. These will come inside the Cashbox. Goes in the back, turns, and the drawer comes out. Now once you have all that done, you take the body of your machine again, slide that back over, make sure it's snug. Now take the globe and the lid of your machine, put the lines forward, and you want to line up that center rod with the center hole of the hopper. And that goes right on. Just take your lock, put it in, take your key, tighten it back up. And there you have it. We have just installed a Cashbox into your Rhino Vending Gumball Machine. Thanks for watching and happy vending.